Spectra is Skylark Drone's worksite intelligence platform customized for the mining sector. With Spectra, managing and keeping track of geospatial data from all your worksites is now simpler than ever. All your geospatial data is accessible from anywhere on the cloud. All the data is stored securely in accordance with ISO standards. Manage all of your geographically distributed mine sites with an easy-to-understand landing page and organize your data as a time series. Compare the time series data and monitor change. Optimize your mine planning with Spectra. Digital twins of your mine equip you with the tools for analyzing terrain and ensuring minimal deviation from your approved plans. Catalog your sites and inspect their operations remotely with 3D digital twins of the mine. Measure the excavated material with 99% accuracy. Get simplified volume reporting tools to keep track of excavation and reconcile vendor-supplied values. Track the bench and berm slopes to check for potential safety hazards. Identify all deviations from approved haul road plans with a single click. Break down communication barriers in your team with Spectra's role-based access control features. Collaborate with context. With mine-specific dashboards, measure what really matters, whether it is the number of safety deviations or the volume of production. Welcome the mine of the future with Spectra.